Luna 2.0 will be the brand new badge of the new Terra blockchain intended to rescue the Terra Luna ecosystem following the stablecoin collapse. Dubbed the Luna Rebirth, TerraForm Labs founder Do Kwon's proposal will see another chain replace the existing Terra organization. Alongside this, Luna 2.0 will replace the existing version of Luna. It will sever ties to the UST stablecoin that saw the crash happen in the first place. Welcome viewers to my channel. Please subscribe, like my video and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. However, the old chain, and old Luna, will not just disappear, they will coexist. The old chain will be known as Terra Classic, while Luna Classic will also see the existing Luna continue. Terra has now released the Terra Core code for the new chain, while the testnet is also now live ahead of its May 27th launch. This date will also mark the official renaming of the existing Luna coin into Luna Classic. At launch, all eyes will be on the Luna 2.0 price. While the new coin will mark a reset for the organization, holders, and those in the cryptocurrency community won't for at launch, all eyes will be on the Luna 2.0 price. While the new coin will mark a reset for the organization, holders, and those in the cryptocurrency community will not fail to remember the collapse of Luna Classic anytime soon. Luna 2.0 airdrop. Existing Luna holders will be allocated Luna 2.0 via an airdrop at the new Terra chain's launch. With a supply of 1 billion, the airdrop allocations are as follows: pre-attack Luna holders, 35% post-attack Luna holders, 10% pre-attack OST holders, 10% post-attack UST holders, 15% community pool, 30%, with 10% for developers, controlled by Luna stakers. The TerraForm Labs wallet will also be removed from the whitelist for the Luna airdrop occasion. This is intended to ensure Terra becomes a fully owned community chain. The LFG wallet will also not be on the whitelist. In a statement on May 25, Terra said, "We are proud to be working closely with CEX partners to support the airdrop." These included Binance and Bybit, it said. Kfinity Esports is supported by its audience. When you purchase through Lin cryptocurrency exchange, Huobi has announced it will list Luna 2.0 once it goes live to support the recovery plan of TerraForm Labs following the collapse of Terra USD and token Terra Luna. Huobi announced the plan through a Twitter post on May 25, joining other crypto exchanges already committed to restoring the Terra organization. Luna 2.0, which goes live on May 27, has been dubbed the Luna Rebirth after TerraForm Labs founder Do Kwon unveiled a proposal to see another chain replace the existing Terra organization. The rollout of Luna 2.0 will replace the current version of Luna. Consequently, it will sever ties to the UST stablecoin that ignited the crash after losing its dollar peg.